Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MAC foundation. First, ensure your skin is clean and well hydrated. Start by washing your face, then apply a good moisturizer. This step is crucial for a smooth application and prevents your foundation from looking patchy. Don't forget a primer. It helps your foundation last longer and creates an even canvas for a flawless finish. Next, finding your perfect MAC foundation shade is key. Test shades on your jawline in natural light to ensure a seamless match. Dispense a small amount, about a pea-sized drop, onto the back of your hand. Begin applying it to the center of your face, blending outwards. You can use a foundation brush, a damp beauty sponge, or even your clean fingertips for application. If you desire more coverage, build it up in thin layers rather than applying a thick coat all at once. This prevents a cakey appearance. For any specific areas needing extra attention, like blemishes or under-eye circles, use a concealer after your foundation. Finally, lightly dust your face with a setting powder, especially in your T-zone, to lock everything in place and reduce shine throughout the day. To complete your look, add a touch of blush to your cheeks, a little bronzer for warmth, and highlighter to accentuate your features. A setting spray can further extend the wear of your foundation, keeping your makeup fresh for hours. Remember, at the end of the day, always remove all your makeup completely. This ensures healthy skin and prevents clogged pores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.